Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I would be showing you how to reverse the video in Wondershare Filmora. That means just reversing the complete sequence of the video, starting from the last scene until the very first one. Now it's extremely simple to do that in Wondershare Filmora, so without wasting any further time, let's jump straight into it. Now that's the interface of Wondershare Filmora on your screen right now. The first thing that we do is, in order to reverse a video, we obviously need a video. Now you can either import your video that you want to reverse the sequence, or you can just select any. For this purpose of the video, I'll basically select any one video out of the given sample 20 videos in this software. Now let's say I choose this second one. Now in order to reverse the sequence, first of all, we need to take this video from here and then drop it onto the timeline. So hold this video and then take it onto the timeline. Once the video drops down, just stretch this from this part so that you can clearly see what's happening in the video. Now before I reverse this out, I'll just play and see how does the video look like. So right now, as you can see, that the guy who is on this bicycle is going straight. So it's a good clip to see that when the reverse effect is in place, how does that look like? Now, in order to reverse that, it's extremely simple. Right click on the video and then click on speed and duration. Once you click on speed and duration, here you will see this option where it says reverse speed. Highlight that option and then click on the OK button. After that, it will give you this option saying create proxy file is necessary for smooth playback. Now, if you have a pretty long and lengthy video, I would recommend clicking on yes, so that you will be able to play the video out and then you will be able to see the video in the reverse sequence in a smoother way. But since it's only like 5-second clip, I'll just click on no at the moment. And once you click on that, you will see the video is reversed now. Let's try to play this video out and see how does it look like. So this is how you reverse the video in Wondershare Filmora. This part is extremely useful and important, especially if you are playing around with multiple videos, and especially right now, nowadays, you see there's a lot of videos on TikTok and many other social media platforms where people tend to just reverse their videos to make them look a bit more cooler. So this is one effect that you can do in Wondershare Filmora. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find this video a bit useful and helpful. If you did find a bit of value in that, do hit that like button, and also if you're new to this channel, do consider subscribing so that whenever the new videos are up, you guys would be the first one to be notified about them. And with that, I'll take leave for today. You guys have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.